In the service orchestration level is the one that I do more prefer, because it should be the level that will satisfy the possibility of orchestrating WPS on the user side. So, to say, offering the possibility of chaining several processes in order to orchestrate them for more complex simulation. What about the secure level? For sure, the Briseide is not facing this aspect, but due to the domain that we are considering, we were really wondering about what are the security standards that we could satisfy, or the security standard technology that we can, let me say, take advantage of. And so to say, actually, all these standards do not provide for any security standard. So all you see here in red is unsecure, and below, the picture below, the proposed solution, this slide at the very general dimension. So in order to satisfy the interoperability of data and services, we are proposing to tunneling the web services, so the interoperable one, the one that will satisfy the GC standard, in a secure layer, and a proxy level on the application side, the proxy layer on the middleware side will ensure at least some security standard. But let me show you more in detail which is the strategy that, under certain extent, is rather similar to some discussions that actually are going to take place at the OGC. GraphiTech, which is the group that are leading this partner, of course, of OGC. So this is, in the picture that you see the typical, let me say, interaction that takes place between the application level and the middleware level. Basically, this takes place by get or post functionality by means of HTTP protocol. And of course, we don't have any security of the information that are going to be created, distributed. So actually, the strategy that we propose can be easily defined. It's a very simple strategy. It's typical man in the middle, you would say. So the interface that will interact with the middleware interface that will interact with the application level are only two dumb interface. So the OWC interface at the application level will interact with the web security client that will verify the credential of the user by means of web authentication services, and will verify also the privilege, so the functionality that can be accessed by the user by a number or group of users. Then the web security client will interact in a secure manner with the web security service, and this will allow the orchestration and the fruition in an interoperable manner of the data in this typical SOA image. Another aspect that it's important to consider is about the trade-off between interoperability and performance. For sure, WMS services are not really performant, and we have also to provide a multi-level communication approach. So we assure actually the fruition and the use of web services both on technology typical provided by SOAP architecture, by web services, but also by means of more advanced technology that can at least satisfy some performance requirements. So related to the trade-off that will be up to the user to define, is possible to access those information in a multi-level communication. Of course, this is also related to the physical architecture that we are going to use. And what about the wrapping of existing functionality? Because we have to consider the possibility of the use of existing software components. Well, this is not at all a technological problem. This can be easily handled by means of the development of a wrapper that is going to provide the functionality of the software component in a web services way. Now I would like to give you a very short glimpse of the pilot that we would like to develop, and will be characterized, as I said, of kind of plug-in technology. So the first look of the application is pure, very simple. It's a typical splitting globe without any button, without any functionality, but the possibility to interact in a direct way with the information that are going to be exposed. Of course, the user can require some more advanced visualization of the information. This can be, this instance can be satisfied by the generation of the instance of new component that can provide a further level of information. And if everything will work, I would like to show to you how, in a small video, the technology that so far we developed. This is a typical spinning of the device to visualize information most near real time. The user can upload and download information. Of course, information can be also transformed and adapted in real time from the user side. The user already can address in a standard way the visibility aspect of the information. Not only can also filter and the information that you would like to focus your attention. So this is a typical filtering of data. Furthermore, the user can access to sensor information and also to access to the historical information that are provided by the sensor. But what is really interesting for me is the possibility that I mentioned to you to orchestrate several processes on most real time. So thanks to the standard WPS in our application, we can embed already a very huge number of WPS, for instance, the one that are exposed by 50 nodes. And actually, in those very few moments, you will see the instance of a flood simulation. So the user will instantiate a number of processing units. Processing unit, of course, will be characterized by input and output slot, by means of the compatible input and output will be snapped automatically, and the user should only define the area where he would like to perform its simulation. So you see actually the instance of the processing units defined and characterized by input and output slot. Each input and output slot can be connected or placed on the red cable, and the red circle is only the special. And the final output that you see here are the name and surname and number phone of people that are living in the floods area. All those processing functionalities as well the information discovered are open information. And that's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed my presentation.